Hi PO5. Today is Monday, April 20th, 2020. And this week we're learning about insects. Our theme is I is for insects. I is for insects because insect, the beginning letter of the word, in insect is I, and it goes insect. This is our letter I. So let's get our imaginary crayons out and write it I. Go down, across, across for our uppercase I, and then for our lowercase I, we just make a line down and we dot the top. Okay, so today I thought it would be fun to sort insects. Insects are animals, but they have 3 different parts of the body and lots of legs, or they can fly. So I thought we could sort to see which ones are insects and which ones are not insects. What kind of animals? Animal sorting. Okay. So here's my page. I wrote my name up there. Don't forget to practice writing your name every day. And then I have this word. It says insects, and I colored it green. And then on this side it says insects with an X on it. So that means not an insect. Okay, so let's start with my first picture. My first picture is of a lion. A lion has legs, but it doesn't have 3 body parts, and it doesn't fly. So I'm going to say this is not an insect. This is a different type of animal. Then next we have a fish. Do we think that the fish is an insect or not an insect? Insect or not an insect? I'm going to go with not an insect. It does not fly. It does not have 3 different body parts. And it doesn't even have legs. Insects have legs and 3 different body parts. It can fly, and its skeleton is on the outside. I forgot to tell you that part. These animals have skeletons on the inside, so that makes them not an insect. Okay, so right here we have a bumblebee. This bumblebee has 3 different body parts. It's got a head, a body, and a stinger. It flies. So, do we think it's an insect or not an insect? Insect, that's right. Insect. Okay, here we have a butterfly. It's got wings, a body, and a head. There's 3 different parts. It flies, and its skeleton, its bones, its protective body parts are on the outside. Is it not an insect or is it an insect? Insect. Okay, so we've got 2 insects and 2 not insects right now. Let's see. Let's go with this one. This one is a puppy. It has bones on the inside. Its skeleton is on the inside. So do we think it's an insect or not an insect? Insect? No, it's not an insect. We'll put it on this side with the fish and the lion. Next, we have an elephant. Elephants don't fly. They have more than 3 body parts. They have their bones on the inside. So do we think it's an insect or not an insect? I'm going to go with not an insect because insects have their skeleton or their protective body on the outside, not on the inside. Next, we have a spider. It's got 3 different body parts, and it's got lots of legs. Is it an insect or not an insect? We're going to go with insect. Insect. So now we have 1, 2, 3 insects on our page, and 1, 2, 3, 4 not insects. Okay, I got 1 more. I've got a ladybug here. Ladybugs can fly. They have their skeletons on the outside, their protective outsides. They have more than 4 legs. Do we think this is an insect or not an insect? Anybody say not an insect? I'm going to go with insect. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 insects. And they're all different types of bugs that either crawl or fly and have lots of legs and different body parts. And their skeletons on the outside. And then on this side we have not insects. And they all have either no legs or only 4 legs. Their skeletons and their bones are on the inside. And they don't fly. Alright friends, I hope this was a fun introduction to insects, our Insects Week. Don't forget to try your worksheet at home, try practicing writing your name, and have a good Monday.